Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Pinterest, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Pinterest, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Pinterest website at www.pinterest.com. If you already have an account, click on the login button located at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then click on the login button. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. You can sign up using your email address or through Facebook or Google. After logging in or creating an account, explore the homepage to get familiar with the layout. To connect with other users, use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in keywords related to your interests or topics you want to explore. Browse the results to find boards and pins that resonate with you. Click on a pin to view more details and check its source. If you like a pin, click on the red Save button to add it to one of your boards. To create your own board, click on your profile icon and select the Boards tab. Choose the Create Board option and enter a name for your new board. You can also select whether to make the board secret or public. After creating a board, start adding pins that reflect your interests. To follow other users, look for their profile and click on the Follow button. This will keep their pins appearing in your home feed. Engage with the Pinterest community by leaving comments on pins you enjoy. Join group boards to collaborate with other users on shared interests. To find group boards, search for relevant keywords and look for boards that allow contributors. Always keep your profile updated with a clear description and links to your other social media. Explore Pinterest's business account option if you want more tools for analytics and advertising. Connect your Pinterest account to your website for seamless sharing of your content. Use the Pinterest browser button to save ideas you find online directly to your boards. Continue exploring and pinning regularly to enhance your experience on Pinterest. The more you engage, the better your Pinterest feed will become tailored to your interests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.